Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude Code OAuth verification errors using the easy methods. This will resolve the handshake failures between your internet browser and your system text box so you can successfully log in and keep your coding workspace running without getting stuck. Step 1. Check the main system status page. The first step is to open your regular internet browser window and see if the central connection servers are running smoothly. Move your mouse cursor up to the top text line of your browser. Type status.claude.com using your keyboard keys and press Enter to view the current live report. Look down the printed lists on the website to confirm if all system boxes show a green checkmark or if a server-side outage is posted. Because if the master company servers are experiencing an internal network disruption, your local login keys will be blocked no matter what you change on your machine. Verifying this baseline setup saves you time before you alter your personal device setup. Step 2. Update your writing software to the latest global version to clear outdated login pathways. Open your black terminal box or system command prompt window, type the text line npm update-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code, hit Enter on your keyboard, and close the box completely once the download finishes to open a brand new window session. Watch the scrolling loading bar until your text layout confirms the global file update has hit 100%. This step matters because the authentication rules get patched frequently to keep your connection safe. Older version files might try to use retired login gateways that trigger automatic connection failures, so loading is the most reliable way to clear ongoing errors. Step 3. Wipe away your hidden old login memory files. The third step is to enter your system folders and drop the old temporary tracking files that are confusing the authentication gate. Go to your terminal workspace line, input the clean removal string rm-rf/tilde/claude/cache, or use your computer folder windows to locate and delete the hidden cache folder manually. Hit Enter on your board to clear the databanks and reset your application memory records down to 0. Because corrupted log files or expired profile tokens can stay stuck in your background storage, when you try to log in, the tool reads the old broken data instead of generating a fresh security pass. Wiping this folder gives you a completely clean slate for your next connection pass. And that's it. To fix Claude Code OAuth verification errors, you first open your web browser and check the main server status page on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to your terminal window to update your application files to the latest global version to clear outdated login pathways. Then, you run the clean removal command to delete your hidden temporary cache folder from the web. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.